Okay, you guys, it is officially time for an April garden tour. Let's start. I just started setting up this raised bed. This is going to be my cut flower raised bed. We'll talk about that here in a second. Bed one, two, three, four, and then I have my greenhouse over here with all of my little seed starters. We have so many different types of tomatoes, squash, peppers that I planted this year. So we're about to go over those because these are all in the garden. Okay, so I'm going to be going over all of the cut flowers and then all of the varieties of zucchini, squash, tomatoes, and then fall veggies that are in here. So the first thing that we have is going to be a cut flower called Scabiosa. Then we have Cosmos that's coming up. I have a little bit of a dying pepper right there. Let's not look at that. We have Poblano right here. We'll go over the peppers first. Then we have Aji Mango, Mini Chocolate Bell, Mini Chocolate Bells, and then we also have cherry and then cherry pepper and then lemon jalapeno. We have Brazilian vervain, and then we also have different types of zucchini. So we have Coco Zell zucchini, rondinite squash. We also have Italian giallo zucchini, and then we also have a few like patty pans, and then we'll move on to the other squash that we have over there. This is an apricot cosmos variety, and then we have coreopsis, and then I started some green envy zinnias in there that are just starting to come up. Over here, so bed number two, I created this little cucumber thing. I'm gonna put that netting on there. That way the cucumbers can vine up. But let's start over here. So we have different types of Potomac snapdragons. Then we have Armenian cucumber, nasturtium. This is also Scabiosa, so that's fun. Then I started, ooh, she wasn't looking too good. We have some sweet alyssum that I started from seed, and then you can see we have some pickling cucumbers, and then I also have some Wisconsin pickling gherkins in here as well. Those are all going to eventually vine up this little thing that I made because I'm going to put some netting on there. All of these, okay, so this is hyssop. All of these are 49er yellow squash. I absolutely love yellow squash in the summertime, so it is going to be an amazing little feast because I have 3 of them. I started this Casper eggplant from seed, so I'm excited for that. Then we have some different types of apricot echinacea over here as well. And then I started this little sun gold cherry tomato from seed. I started everything from seed, by the way. And I need to find a location for that. I think I'm gonna have it arch up this little trellis right here. Alrighty. We have our squash and lima bean bed. I know I kind of like discombobulated everything over here, but that's okay. There was a bunch of lima beans that were supposed to come up, but you know, things sometimes don't come up. And so I'm gonna reseed those. We do have other lima beans over here. And then we have, let's see, we have, what is this called? This one is the watermelon beefsteak tomato, along with some marigold yarrow that I dug up from the yard, basil, another watermelon beefsteak, and then we also have pineapple tomato and another pineapple tomato with marigold yarrow, and then more green envy zinnias that I'm super excited for. I need to desperately de-weed this bed. So then back here we have our winter squash varieties. This is going to be Waltham butternut, another Cosmos, and then we also have, let's see, what is this? This is Delicata squash over here. Our beautiful strawberry patch. Let's see if there's one to pick today. Looks like there is. It's time to pick these before, you know, the birds get them. And then I like to get them while they're like, you know, starting to turn red. That way they can ripen on the other side inside. And let's see today's strawberry harvest. Yay! Put those in my little pocket. Okay, and then we have our sugar snap peas growing up here. I think I picked all of the peas the other day, but I know we have a tiny little one growing right there. That's so fun. I need to make sure there's no more strawberries in here. Looks good to me. Okay, let's move. We have dianthus. This beautiful Globe Master allium. I mean, look at her. Amazing. We have our iceberg lettuce bed that I keep just picking off of, other alliums that are flowering, a sweet meat winter squash, beautiful kale. Amazing. More tomatoes. These look kind of crazy today. I think it needs water. Echinacea, calendula, strawberry calendula that I started from seed, more alliums, another echinacea, oregano. This is a black crim and yellow Belgium. This is a German pink, red delicious, and something else. I can't remember right now. So, okay, wait. Black crim, red delicious, yellow Belgium, pink German, or pink Belgium, something. Hyssop, marigolds, more alliums. I'm gonna plant these soon. This is beautiful agastache that I absolutely love. We have a yellow paquito, pink pearl, and then this is summer long variety. And then of course you have to have beans in the supper, more scabiosa and alliums. And then here is our little bean patch. So this is going to be Roma 2 beans and then yellow wax. So that pretty much sums it up for the garden tour. These are all of my little starts. I need to find someone that wants these because obviously I grew way too many. Beautiful. Just some peppers right there. And then we have more. So that is the beautiful garden tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in the garden. We will check back here in about a month or two just to see how everything's been growing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.